All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So if you bought the Galaxy S10, the International, there's some things that you might have missed if you cracked your box open too fast like me. And that is right here. There's a free case down here. Now, there's no manuals in mine, but there's some light manuals, nothing heavy. But here's the SIM ejection tray tool. And then there's the case. And here's a little couple of cards that are in there. Light manuals, I should say, not a lot. But here's a free case, and this is kind of an official Samsung case that they give you. It's got some Samsung branding down here. Now, I don't know if this is only available on the international version, but this is actually really sweet. And if I didn't know it was in here, I probably would have been using it since day one. Someone commented about, hey, look in your box. There's a case in there. And I just said, yeah, okay, I'll check it out later. And when I did, I got around to it. I said, whoa, look at this case. I think it's actually pretty sweet. Now, there's probably different color cases that come in depending on what phone color you have. But this one right here is obviously going to be the best fit for your phone because it's a Samsung case. And that's something that you should take note of. But with that being said, we'll take a look around the case here. You've got a big cutout here for the fingerprint reader. The volume rocker and Bixby button are obviously completely open. And then the bottom is completely open with your headphone jack, Type-C, microphone, and USB port there. Excuse me, speaker grill there. And on the back here, if you take a look at the camera, you've got kind of this flush feel with it covering the camera there, around the camera. And then you've got your microphone cut out back here on the top. Now, all that said, the case feels great. I was actually using the sub case, Unicorn Beetle, the entire time, and then also not even using the case. And this case actually, obviously, is a perfect fit for the phone. So depending on which phone you have, now I don't know if the US models come with a case in the top of the box like that. It was kind of hidden away. I didn't even notice it when I did the unboxing. But you do get a free case in the box. And I think that's pretty sweet. So take a look at that case, man. It's got like this nice design here. Pretty eclectic. Really like it. Really sweet. This is a really, really nice looking case. So real briefly, though, you do get a free case in the box with the international version from what I can see. And this is the one that I think I'll probably use going forward for now. It's your man, Jay. See you guys in the next video. Take care.